Hi, this is Mark Earl from freeingslaves.com, and I want to tell you about a free video series which I've made for you at $12business.com. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can get set up with your first business for $12. It's going to be a web business, so you're going to set up your first website, and in this video I'm going to show you how you get your hosting. It's going to cost about $10 per month once you actually get up and running. The first month though, it's going to cost you just 1 penny. We're going to show you how to get your domain name. Your domain name is going to cost about $12, hence $12business.com. I'm going to show you how to get your website set up on the most popular website platform, and I'm going to help you pick a new design for your website. So the complete free step-by-step video tutorial series is available at $12business.com. But for now, let's get up and running with this first video and show you how you can get your website set up. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to come over to HostGator, which is hostgator.com. Now HostGator is where you actually host your domain names or your websites. HostGator is a hosting service. A hosting service is basically a server where that's where your website is held on the internet. So in the middle of the website you'll see here, view web hosting plans. That's what we're going to click on, and in the middle here you can see that there are three basic plans. We're not interested in the business plan, that is far too expensive for us. We are interested in either the hatchling or the baby plan. Now if you only ever plan on having a single domain, which is just one website, then perhaps you'll want to go for this option here at $7.16. I personally have the baby plan, which gives me unlimited domains, which means once I set up this hosting I can host several websites, unlimited websites on this same package, and you can see it's only an extra 80 cents per month. So this is the plan that I suggest you go for, and this is the plan that we're going to click on now, and I'll take you to the next page. So when you come to this next page here, this is where you've got a choice. You've got to register a new domain or click on I already own this domain. Now you're just going to type in here, this would be for example yourname.com or yourbusinessname.com, and there's several other extensions here you could have if the .com is unavailable, but always try and get the .com. So if you could put your name in here or whatever name you want the website to be called. So once we've put that in there, so for example I already own this domain, which is $12business.com. We're choosing the baby plan, and the first month at $7.96. Like I said, this $7.96 I'm going to show you how in a moment how we get that for 1 penny. Let me just put this security pin in here, and I'm going to choose to pay by PayPal. So excuse me while I just cover up this information here. You'll add a billing password. As you can see on mine, this won't be the same for yours, but there already exists an account with my email address, hence me putting my billing password in here. The next things you'll see, HostGator tends to pre-check these boxes here and add all these fees on, so just make sure that if these are pre-checked that you uncheck them prior to going down to the bottom. The next thing you're going to see is this coupon code here. Now if you put in this code here, first month 1p, you'll see that this goes down to 1 penny. This, I'll just show you what it normally has. There's normally a code in here called Snappy, and this is what you'd normally see when you first get to the site. So we're going to change that to first month 1p. This is a code that's unique to myself, which means that HostGator will give me a commission for referring you to them as a customer, and I appreciate you coming through this site and putting that in. Obviously it means I can do all these videos for free and I don't have to charge for them, as I get a small fee from HostGator. It doesn't cost you any more for using this fee. In fact, you get a discount, HostGator get a new customer, and I get a small commission, so win-win-win. Then you'll need to check this box here, which is, if you need to read the terms and conditions, by all means do so. Obviously I've already read them, so I'm going to tick that, and then we're going to create an account. So we're going to click that. Now once we've actually clicked and gone through the payment process, the next thing you're going to do is receive an email from HostGator with your account information in. So this is the type of email that you'll receive, and again we need to go into our control panel to actually start setting up the website now. So I'm going to click on that. And log in. I'm going to log in. I'm taken to this dashboard here. So when I go to the dashboard, I'm going to click on Get Started with WordPress Today. Continue. $12business.com, so we're going to put in our blog title, which is $12 business. Click install now. Let's do that lowercase. Now this generally doesn't take long at all. There you go. So here is my login details. I'm going to head over to our website. I'm just going to copy that password, and here we are. So now I'm going to log in. This is basically the first page that you see when you go to your domain name, which is in this case $12business.com /WP-admin or WP-admin. This is the page that you'll see when you want to get into the back end or the dashboard of our site, where we can make any changes to our site. So I'm going to log in here. And this is the back end of our site. So what I'm also going to do now is I'm going to show you both sides of the site. So this is the back end. Like I say, this is the dashboard. This is where we're going to make any changes to our site, and this is what our site currently looks like. So let me just resize this for you. So let me just bring this. So this is our site. So currently we've got $12 business. As you can see, it's quite blank at the minute, and this is where we're going to start making some changes. So we'll go into our dashboard, and the first thing we're going to change is the appearance of the site, which is appearance and then themes. And you can see the current theme or look of our site is the WordPress 2014 theme. We're actually going to look to install a new theme, and we're going to go to here, wordpress.org themes, and here's where I'm going to actually search themes. So I'm going to go for a theme called responsive. Click enter, and it'll be this first theme that we come up with here. I'm going to click install. This is now installed the theme, and we're going to click activate. And now when we go back to our main site, what I'm going to do now is refresh the site, and you can see now how it looks very different. Now in the free tutorials that are coming up at $12business.com, we're going to start changing all of this here, and you're going to watch over my shoulder step by step while I change all this into a nice neat website that you'll be very proud of if you follow along and build one exactly the same. So as in this video I mentioned we were going to get hosting, and we got the first month for 1p. We've done that. You've seen how we do a domain name. I already had one, but you can see how you just pick a new domain name, and you can do that at HostGator, and that will cost you $12. We installed the most popular website platform, which was WordPress, and we've picked a new design. So if you head over now to $12business.com, or if you're already at $12business.com, just leave your name and email address, and then what I'll do is I'll be able to send you step-by-step video tutorials. And the way I've broken this down, I know you're very busy, so rather than send you a 2-hour video which you've got to sit through, I've broken this down into bite-sized chunks, so each video is only 5 to 10 minutes long, and you can just go through each one step by step, and you can start building your site out exactly the same. So hopefully you've gone to HostGator and you've got as far as I have. If not, you can watch this video again and get up to this level, and then when you're at $12business.com you can sign up and you can get the rest of the videos in this series. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the other side. Thank you.